I am cutting the ginger. I am peeling it from its skin first with my knife, and then I'm just gonna cut the ginger into fairly small pieces. You won't need to cut it too small, as the blender will do the work. But because ginger is very fibrous, it's better to cut it into pieces like that. Now I'm just throwing the ginger into my 9200A by Froothie. I have my temper tool on hand and I'm just pulsing the ginger. I suggest to put quite a lot of ginger if you wanted the process to be faster. I am also using my spatula to press the ginger down and scrape it from the sides. This spatula is super helpful as it will help you to scrape the ingredients from the side of your blender. Now I'm gonna blend it again with the pulse function. I'm gonna add a little bit of water just to make the blades spinning. I'm gonna scrape the sides a little bit more, and you just want to keep doing this process. Once you're done with the pulsing, you want to do high speed and just keep blending a few times. You may need to do this process a few times. It depends how much ginger you are adding in your jug, and then you will have your perfectly blended ginger. You can make hot tea, you can add it onto your hot soups, you can use it to do a lot of recipes, curries, you can make cakes. You have your perfectly blended ginger by your 9200A Optimum blender by Froothie. With the help of the spatula, you can get all of the ingredients out of the jug, and there you have your perfectly blended ginger.